Well, we just wrapped up the championship round here on Lake Athens. It's been an amazing week fishing up at Fork, then down here to get to fish on Lake Athens. What a phenomenal fishery. It's been a fun week for me. It's been all about big line, the big heavy gamma. My lightest was 20-pound gamma on a bladed jig, 25 and 30 when it came to flipping. And you know what? When you give me 25 or 20 or 25 or 30-pound gamma fluorocarbon, I'm as comfortable as can be. Bring it on, big fish.